Hello everyone and welcome to our channel, and in today's video we'll talk about how to fix these kind of errors. If you are facing these kind of errors in your Windows laptop or PC, most probably your Windows files are corrupted. So now we have to reinstall Windows and then we'll fix this problem. And for reinstalling Windows we'll need a bootable USB. Once you make the bootable USB, just turn on your PC and find boot options on your screen. Once you find boot options on your screen, then you have to press the respected key for the boot options. Once you enter boot options, then choose your USB device and then hit enter. So now Windows will start loading. Once you reach this page, you have to click on custom. In this you'll see all the drives on your device, and then you can choose in which drive you want to install your operating system. As you can see, installation has started, and now all you have to do is just sit tight. During this installation, your device will reboot for 2 to 3 times, so there is no need to worry about that. Now our installation is complete. Just fill up your details and you are good to go. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get notified of new videos.